body on. Yeah. Got her, it's still driving, it's all apart. Just a flat deck on the back here. Yeah, we'll see how this goes. This runs pretty good for a old high mileage car. He seems to like it. Yeah, so shouldn't take too much longer. I get the old truck stripped now, and then we'll see if it'll fit. Hopefully it'll fit. And coming up here on the left is the body off of this thing here on my dump trailer. So there we go. All right, time to get to work on the old truck now. There it is sitting there.